good morning, and yes, it's first of the month, and you know it is going to be a fab bag unboxing. Yay! I just received my fab bag and I was like, yeah, I want to do it, but please excuse me for the lighting because it's gloomy here, it's cloudy, but I love this weather, so I'm really enjoying it, and I hope you can make it from my voice. So let's just quickly see how this month's fab bag looks like. So yeah, it's my fab bag. It's a beautiful creamy white colored pouch. It's nice and it has a slight texture which feels good. So let's just open it and see what all we have. Okay, the first thing is the product of the month which we get to choose, and it's the Sea Salt makeup. It's basically a lipstick, and you know I'm slightly gravitating towards pinks and purples, so I got myself this beautiful plummy pink shade. I so love this color. Actually, it started with this lip color I received from Sugar Cosmetics in the liquid lipsticks, and I wanted it in a cream finish as well, because you know sometimes with liquid lipsticks it happens, and yo, the color is so pretty and it has a beautiful creamy matte finish. I can't wait to apply it on my lips. I'm sure I'm going to use it in my next video. And the second thing, okay, now I have a double of this. It's the Sugar Tic Tac Toe nail lacquer. It's in the shade Sapphire Straights. I already have all of these shades in my collection, so this is going to be a double, and it's a beautiful bluish shade with a duochrome finish, and I really like it. It's beautiful purplish blue shade. I really love this formula, and please excuse me for my chipped nails. I just can't do them right now. Okay, the third product is this Seer Secrets, the Seer Secrets Lemon Citrus Jasmine Mint. It's a body cleanser. Okay, that's a body cleanser and it looks nice. Let me just see. It has a beautiful lemony scent. It smells really good. And obviously it's a natural product, so it will be free from all the harmful chemicals. Okay, and next we have two products from Tuak. One is this lip tint, the Midas Touch lip tint, and other one is a lip plumper. So yeah, these are the two products and they have a nice packaging, they look nice, and I'm really excited to try this lip plumper. It's a beautiful scent and it looks so gorgeous. I can't wait to try it. I'll definitely be trying it next. And there is the lip tint. If you want to see, it's a beautiful shimmery gold shimmers in it. Looks nice. I'm really impressed. I'm gonna try both of these in my next video. And if you guys would like to see my review or anything like that, just let me know in the comment section below and I would love to do it for you. Okay, the next thing is this one. So this is the ERA Insta Renew Multi Action Under Eye Cream. It's for all skin types. It's a 20-gram product and it's for ₹490. Oh, cool. It's not very pricey, so let's just see how this eye cream looks like. Okay, so this is the eye cream. I have heard of this brand on Instagram, so I'm excited to try it. I have just finished my eye cream. I have two more in stock, but I'll start using this and we'll see if it works. I really love to experiment with my eye creams because I really want to see if that works or not. So we'll definitely try this and see if it works. And yes, that's what all I had in my fab bag. Oops. So that is this in my fab bag contest. So you have to click a picture and you will win this Jelly G lip gloss. Other one is this card for lemon, that body cleanser from Seer Secrets. It's a tongue twister for me. Okay, the theme of this month's fab bag is the object of desire, and it's a beautiful wine glass picture which looks really nice. And we received 6 products in this bag, and let's just see its price. So one is this Sea Soul Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's lead free and it's a full size product for ₹530. The second one is this Sugar Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer. It's Sapphire Straights is the shade and it's for ₹299. Third one is this ERA Insta Renew Multi Action Eye Cream. It's for ₹490 for 20-gram of product. The next two are the Tuak, the lip tint as well as the lip plumper. The lip tint is for ₹195. The lip plumper is for ₹225. Both are 6 grams of product, and the last one is a body cleanser which was a travel size, and it is for ₹72 for 30 ml. So in total we got the products for 500, 800, 1500, close to like rupees 2000, which I feel is a great deal, and the products are very different this time, and this lipstick is so good. So yeah, I feel it's a good bag. You can definitely give it a try. And yeah, that's my review and unboxing on this month's fab bag, and I really hope you like this video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this bag. Do you like it or like it's a pass? Let me know there. And you can also follow me on my social media. All of my social media links will be listed down below and also here, so you can follow me, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye. My hair. Bye.